In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted board in Monday.com. If you've ever accidentally deleted a board or removed something you realized you still need, don't panic. Monday.com has a built-in safety net called the trash. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use it to bring your board back. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're on the main workspace screen where you can normally see your boards and workspaces. Restoring a deleted board always starts from your profile area. Look toward the edges of your screen for your profile picture or avatar. Depending on your layout or screen size, you'll usually find it either in the bottom left corner or in the top right corner of the interface. It's the small circle that usually shows your initials or your profile image. Go ahead and click on that avatar. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. From this menu, look for the option labeled Trash. This is where Monday.com keeps recently deleted items, including boards, for a period of time before they are permanently removed. Click on Trash to open your trash view. Once the trash section loads, you'll see a list of items that have been deleted from your account or workspace. These can include boards, work docs, or other elements, depending on what's been removed recently. Take a moment to scroll through this list and look for the board you want to restore. It usually appears with its original board name, which makes it easier to find. If you remember roughly when you deleted it, focus around that time in the list to speed things up. When you've located the board you want back, look over to the right side of that board's entry. You should see an option labeled Restore. This is the action that will bring your board back into your workspace just as it was when it was deleted. Click Restore. After a moment, Monday.com will recover that board and place it back into your account. In most cases, it will return to the same workspace or section where it originally lived, with its structure and items intact. To confirm everything worked, exit the trash view, return to your main workspace area, and look for the board by name. You should now see it available again, ready for you to continue working without having to rebuild it from